What do you see? I see
Hubby, look at me. Hubby, what you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me. What do you
see?
I see a blue
Horse.
looking at. Yeah, he's got his teeth. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green looking at
me.
green frog.
Flower, you see. We see
A purple
cat
looking at
me. He tongue out.
Yeah, his tongue's out. He's licking his paw. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white looking at
me.
white dog.
White dog, what you see?
I see a black
See,
looking at
me.
black sheep.
Black sheep, what you see? I
See a
dolphin.
looking at.
Might eat my dolphin.
That's your goldfish?
No.
Goldfish,
Mama
goldfish.
dolphin.
What do you see? I see a teacher looking at
It
me.
bite me.
The teacher doesn't bite you. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children. Do you see? We see a brown,
Bear,
a red,
bird,
yellow,
cat,
duck, blue,
horse,
green, purple, cat, white,
dog,
black,
black
sheep,
sheep,
and a goldfish looking at us. The end.
And what is he?
Is that a good book?
Yeah.
You like reading to Daddy?
Could you read again?
You want to read again?
No.
No?
Shut my book. Oh, wow. Oh, Dad. Oh, no, Dad. Shut my book. Oh, no. Oh, a bird. What's a bird? Dad, it's a way to talk. See. I have a throat. Oh, no. But that must be. Oh!
Can I have my brush back? Thank you. Here's some sugar.
You're
Good
doing
sugar.
good, Mama.
I'm just gonna, no, I'm not going to work. I'm just gonna go fix my hair.
Brown bear, brown bear.
I move.
Brown bear, brown bear.
Oh, move.
Brown bear, brown bear.
We move.
Ethan. Ethan.
Potato.
Brown bear, brown bear.
They are potatoes.
Ethan, sit down. Sit down. Ethan, sit down. Get off the table. Ethan, get off the table now. Get down. Get down. Don't get on the table.